With the Advantech subfloor assembly, you can be sure that you're building a reputation on something stronger. And the best builders, well, they may always stand apart, but they never stand alone. So ask yourself, are you bringing your A game?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Outbuilding podcast YouTube channel for the build series. Man, it's a lot to say. Anyways, we are wrapping it up. Second to the last video. Yes, series is almost done, but have no fear. It's up there. You can go watch it all again. Anyways, this week we talk about the outbuilding. Yes, we built a beautiful house there, but we also did a beautiful 3-bay garage with a little in-law suite above. So let's break out those drawings, break out our friend Big Red, and let's talk outbuildings. All right, everybody. So grab these images out of the drawing set. Got my good friend Big Red here. Let's talk about that outbuilding for a minute. So we knew right from the get-go, working with the clients, that they were okay with a detached garage. They didn't want it necessarily attached, and it was for a couple reasons. One, they wanted a potential in-law suite available in the unit, as well as we have multiple garage bays, and garage bay 2 is also going to double as a workshop for the husband. He's a very talented furniture maker. Just absolutely gorgeous stuff. So, hence, that's why we have the bathroom there. But anyways, we have the garage proper here, which is your standard 2-car garage. And that one's about 30 feet that way and 24 feet this way. And you can see there's 2 garage bay doors. They're 908s, and we have a person door on the side, so you don't have to open the garage door to go in and get a tool or something out of the garage. But notice also that that is blocked off and doesn't get access to the 3rd bay. Now, the 3rd bay here is, like I said, its initial use is set up to be a workshop. So we have that workshop space here, but we still put a garage door, so it still has the 9080 garage door here. We also have a secondary door here, and that secondary door gives you the ability to go upstairs to the in-law suite, and that would be the one that's lockable because the stairway, well, it has the potential to be locked there. But you can come in this door and you have the option to go upstairs or the option to go into the workshop without closing or opening that door. The workshop is somewhat self-sustaining in that it has its own slop sink as well as a sink and toilet. So tucked in underneath the stairs there. So you don't have to go, obviously, go back to the house. Coming upstairs, you arrive upstairs, and it's a pretty simple setup. We have a small little kitchenette, the sink, dishwasher, small little induction range, some open shelving, a refrigerator, small storage pantry there. We have a full bath here with a sink, toilet, and a shower. And then basically we have this large open room with a storage closet over that space that, someone can put in a small bed or couch and have a small table in there, whatever kind of furniture suits your fancy, as well as we have a second means of egress for safety. So we have a second set of stairs that would go down there. They're not, you're going to see the slideshow, they're not built yet because we haven't built out the in-law suite as part of this phase. Those will get built out when we, in fact, build out the in-law suite. Down below here you can see here, nice simple elevations. They have that simple 1 in 12 roof, just like the house does. Opposing single slope. Got some nice big European tilt turn, some operables along with a fixed, some nice garage doors on there. That person door that takes us up to that in-law suite, and have a nice little outbuilding that complements. It has all the true exterior siding on here that we have on the main house, and all the detailing and such matches, the paint color, all of that. So we have a nice cohesive package. The in-laws can certainly come over, stay for a while, or you have a little guest suite that's outside your house that friends and family, when they come to visit, and he gets his workshop and you get your 2-car garage. So it's a win for everybody. Anyways, got a slideshow to follow. This is the last video Big Red will join us in. We got one more video after this. We call it the wrap-up, where it's just 75 slides of some of my favorite photos from the project. So be sure to check that out next week. And as for this week, that's our talk about the outbuilding. Big Red's going to bed. Until next time, long live our buildings.